The Visacrem Nera range is built using stainless steel body panels and is designed for use in a busy catering establishment. It's available with 1 or 2 group heads, compact Space and Space XL models, and a tall model for takeaway cups. It comes in a white, black or silver finish. The 1 group, 2 group Space and 2 group Space XL models feature an 8-litre copper boiler. The 2 group and 2 group tall models feature a 13-litre copper boiler. The angled group handles allow for better grip and a reduced risk of RSI. The 2-group machine enables 2 baristas to easily make a range of coffees and drinks at the same time. As well as ground coffee, you can also use pods or capsules. The optional automatic frother add-on makes frothing milk effortless.